Yes, yes, absolutely. In many cases, it is already at a very advanced or very late stage. For example, if you're diagnosed with having high blood sugar, it's already late to start working on preventative measures to help manage your blood sugar levels. There's been a long history of things affecting the blood sugar levels and the levels being out of balance, underlying issues that we would have been able to identify with live blood analysis, that we're able to then manage at an earlier stage. Whereas, if you have the high blood sugar test result, the protocols tend to be a lot more difficult, and improvement takes a lot longer because there are actual organic changes already at that point in the system. So yes, live blood analysis is extremely valuable in prevention because we're able to detect imbalances that you're really not able to detect through conventional testing.